Come back. Today we will have our first hand-on the SAM templates. To access SAM templates, you go to Lambda and you find the function. We create this function in one of our videos. Feel free to check this video to know how to create a function, but it's a pretty straightforward. Just you go to create function, you choose a name, you just hit create. Just as simple as that. So we go to our function, and you find here in the function overview, you'll find something called template. So we click on this one, and we will find some information. And basically, these are the informations about the function. So this is the function configurations. This is the configurations of the functions. And let's just look at this YAML template for a function to understand the key concept. So as you can see here, if you don't know what is a SAM template, because we created a video to talk about what is a SAM template. So a SAM template, it's the AWS Serverless application model, which is short for SAM. And the template of that is a configuration file that defines the AWS resources in the serverless applications. It's an extension of AWS CloudFormation, specifically designed to simplify the process of writing, configuring, and deploying serverless applications, including AWS Lambda functions, API gateway APIs, and DynamoDB tables. So this is a configuration file for our Lambda functions right now. So let's try to see here. In the first thing that we find something we call the transform. And can I make this one quite bigger? Like, can I make it? I don't know. Is it there is a way to make this one quite bigger? Anyway, I don't know. So we have first something we call transform. This one. So the transform, it's like serverless 2016 1031, and this declaration is required because behind the scenes AWS SAM templates are deployed through AWS CloudFormation using the transform statement identifies the templates as an AWS SAM template file. After that we have the following the transform declaration, we have the resources. Okay. In the resources section, this where the AWS resources you want to deploy with your AWS SAM templates, and this where the resources are defined. Like AWS SAM templates can contain combinations of AWS SAM resources and AWS CloudFormation resources. This is because during the deployment, AWS SAM templates expand to AWS CloudFormation templates. So any valid AWS CloudFormation syntax can be added to AWS SAM template. So at the moment, this is just one resource defined in the resource section of the template. Like you have your Lambda, and you don't have any other resource. As you can see, we only have one resource, which is the which is the Lambda ISAC demo or IAC demo to add a Lambda function to an AWS SAM template. So we use something we call here. As you can see, this is the type, and if you want to add a function, we use this one, AWS Serverless function, resource type. The properties of the Lambda functions resources define the functions runtime, functions handler, and other configurations options. The path to your functions source code that AWS SAM should use to deploy the function to the function is also defined here. And also we could make a SAM developer guide for you to talk on SAM in details. So as well as the function properties and configurations. So as you can see here, we have the memory size, we have the timeout, we have the handler, the runtime, etc. So as we have all the configurations. The template also specifies an AWS entity and access management IAM policy. So you will find here we have policies and access management, as you can see here. Um, sorry. So when you create a function, also you this policy gives your function permission to write logs to AWS Cloud Watch logs, and when you create a function in the Lambda console, the Lambda automatically attach this policy to your function. To learn more about that, we will make a dedicated video about policies in the SAM templates. Actually, we will make tons of videos about SAM templates, because SAM templates, they are a quite essential section when it comes to build any application. So, but this one just a hands-on to talk about what we have, and right now we only have a Lambda demo. In the future, we could add more. Like we could add more than the demos. We can add like a table. We could add like a queue, Lambda queue. For that, we can add more. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problem.